If SketchUp keeps crashing with a bug splat error on startup, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get SketchUp opening normally again. This issue is usually caused by outdated graphics drivers, a bad extension or plugin, corrupt installation files, or even display settings like external monitors and GPU selection. So let's go through the best troubleshooting steps one by one. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's start with graphics drivers. One of the biggest reasons SketchUp crashes on launch is because your graphics driver is outdated or not working properly. If you're using an NVIDIA card, go to the NVIDIA website and download the latest driver for your GPU. If you have an AMD graphics card, do the same on the AMD website. After installing the update, restart your computer and try opening SketchUp again. This alone fixes the bug splat error for a lot of users. Next, check your plugins and extensions. Sometimes a recently installed plugin can cause SketchUp to crash the moment it starts. To test this, open File Explorer and go to /users/username /appdata/roaming /SketchUp /version /SketchUp /plugins. Inside that folder, look for any extension you recently added. You can remove it temporarily or move it somewhere else on your desktop so SketchUp won't load it on startup. If SketchUp opens after that, then you've likely found the problem plugin. You can then add the extensions back one at a time until you find the one causing the crash. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to repair the SketchUp installation. Sometimes important program files become damaged or incomplete. To do this, find the SketchUp installer on your computer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then select the repair option if it's available. Let the repair process finish completely, then restart your computer and try launching SketchUp again. This can fix missing or broken files without requiring a full reinstall. Another thing to check is your monitor setup. If you're using multiple displays, external monitors can sometimes interfere with SketchUp startup. Try unplugging any extra monitors and leave only your main screen connected. Then open SketchUp again and see if it launches normally. If it does, the issue may be related to your display configuration or GPU switching between screens. Now let's make sure SketchUp is using your dedicated GPU. If your computer has both integrated graphics and a high-performance graphics card, SketchUp may be trying to launch on the weaker one, which can trigger a crash. Open your graphics control panel, whether that's NVIDIA control panel or AMD settings, and set SketchUp to use the high-performance GPU. On Windows, you can also go into graphics settings and manually assign SketchUp to the dedicated GPU. After saving the changes, restart SketchUp and test it again. If you still see the bug splat error, it's a good idea to clear temporary files and make sure your storage drive has enough free space. A full or nearly full hard drive can cause all kinds of strange application problems. Delete unnecessary temporary files, empty your recycle bin, and free up some space if needed. Then try opening SketchUp once more. If the crash happens right after you log into Windows or when the computer starts up, restart your computer and sign in again. Sometimes startup conflicts or temporary profile issues can cause SketchUp to fail the first time but work properly after a reboot. So don't skip this step, especially if the error appears consistently during login. And if none of those fixes work, the final step is a clean install. Uninstall SketchUp completely, restart your computer, then download the latest version from the official SketchUp website and install it fresh. If possible, follow the official SketchUp Bug Splat guide as well, since they may have version-specific instructions or known issues for your release. So to recap, if SketchUp is giving you a bug splat on startup, the best fixes are updating your graphics drivers, removing problem plugins, repairing the installation, unplugging external monitors, forcing SketchUp to use the dedicated GPU, clearing temporary files, restarting your computer, and finally doing a clean reinstall if needed. Try these in order, and in most cases, you should be able to get back into SketchUp without the crash. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific SketchUp error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.